How do I check if my AirPods are reset to the original factory settings?
Hello there. Today, we'll learn how to check if your AirPods have been reset to their original factory settings. This is an essential step, especially when you've performed a reset and want to make sure it's been done correctly.
Understanding what a factory reset does.
Before we get into the process, let's take a quick detour to understand what a factory reset does to your AirPods. When you reset your AirPods to factory settings, all the settings and data associated with your AirPods, such as the paired devices list and customized settings, will be wiped clean. The AirPods will return to their original out-of-the-box condition.
How to confirm a factory reset.
There isn't a specific feature that lets you directly check if your AirPods have been reset. However, there are some indirect ways to confirm this. 1. Check for pairing. The most notable change after a factory reset is that your AirPods will no longer be paired with your device. So, first, go to the Bluetooth settings on your device. If your AirPods are no longer listed there, it's a sign that the reset might have been successful. 2. Check the name. Factory reset changes the name of your AirPods back to the default, which is AirPods. If the name has changed back to AirPods, this could be another sign that the reset was successful. 3. Check for custom settings. If you had any custom settings on your AirPods, like double tap to pause, these settings would be wiped out after a factory reset. So, if you can no longer use these settings, it's another sign that the reset might have worked. 4. Repair your AirPods. Finally, try repairing your AirPods with your device. If they pair as new and the setup process is just like the first time you paired them, then they have likely been successfully reset. To wrap up, checking if your AirPods are reset involves looking for changes in their pairing, name, custom settings, and repairing behavior. Remember that these signs are indirect, and one or more might indicate a successful factory reset. If you're not sure, you could always reset them again to be certain. Hopefully, this video has been helpful, and now you can confidently check if your AirPods are reset to their factory settings.